for someone like you. And I thank God that Guys, it feels like Christmas morning. Wonder what it could be. Could it be from Gaicheng? I have a tiny bit of a mess because I've been working on my 3D printer. That will have to wait. This is more important. The fan has to be on. It's hot. All my life, I pray for someone like you. Had to get my dang toolbox, you know what I'm saying, because it smells like China. What a clean cut. I got a couple more cuts to make. Fully express how much it feels like this morning. Pick me up when I was down. So, invoice, $700. Back you up a little bit and then double, triple, quadruple wrap it. It's bigger. Oh, smaller. Okay. It's bigger than I was expecting. Whoa. Oh, those diodes are so wide. I didn't know how that was gonna look, but okay. Okay, it's fine. Let's think about it. Yeah, they're a little far. They're also a little cockeyed. Okay, hold on. We'll go ahead and get our circuit board out. Keep in mind, this is gonna be flexible. Right now it's hard. It's gonna be flexible, but right now, damn. I kind of hit the nail on the head. Oh. Okay. See it in all its glory. This is like the most important piece of it is the diodes and the LEDs. They're a little bit more spread out and a little bit more cockeyed than I thought. But side by side, this is kind of what you wanna see, right? But we kind of got the skinniness of it down. I mean, look, between my Fitbit Air and this, the idea is this is gonna wrap around your wrist. Different users, it's so small. But it meant you can't even see the text. The text is so small. I thought I was doing something. I put a message. You can probably maybe see. Yeah, I mean, but on my phone. Dang, LeBron went to the 76ers. That's crazy. Okay, it came out pretty good. Shout out to my mentor, low key, because he told me just build it, man. You never know what's gonna work and what's not gonna work until you build it and test. So shout out to him. You know, I just finally committed and actually got it built. I mean, it's probably not gonna work. This is revision 1. Technically, it's technically like 50 revisions deep, but damn, we really did it. All right,